Salsa, right? Right. No. Woo.
No, you can cut it in half first.
Wait.
No, other way, sideways.
Yeah. Ah! Yeah, it's hilarious, I know. No, I'm just gonna crack it open. I got it. Ah. I get all these crusty skins off. Ah. Whew. Ooh. Ooh, that is a strong scent. How the hell were you able to cut it so?
We'll just save this for the blender.
Man, this onion is strong. Ooh! And trash. Alright. Now that all the vegetables are in the pot, got the blender out. And what else would I need? Garlic powder?
Yes, put it in here.
Oh, I just put it in there. There. Oh.
It's already open, just kind of put a little bit in there.
Yeah, I don't want to risk it because plus it's going to pour out. Alright. Alright. Next, crushed red peppers.
Give it that kick.
Give it an extra kick. There we go. And next, I'm gonna pour in some special stuff to make this salsa a little tastier. It's green, it's a plant, and you can fit a shitloads in a baggie. Cilantro! Or, I feel like it's Italian. It sounds Italian, but I don't know what it is. I might be wrong. Sprinkle some of it in here. Next, I'm going to put some spices in here. Ground black pepper. Classic chili powder. And onion powder. Now let's see how this pot is doing. Ooh. Oh, I like that cook for a while. Ooh. Look at that. Look how it sizzled. I need something to stir it a bit. Ooh. Woohoo! Oh, it's overflowing. Eh. Ooh. Ooh.
You can turn it off.
Huh? Go ahead and turn that off. It's going little bananas on me right now.
Put it in here. Just save the water.
That's strong enough. It's trying to like. Ah. Ooh.
You know what? Get this here. Use the knife and the fork together. You gotta do a little bit at a time. So like 2 peppers and 1, since the blender's small.
Keeps. I have to do this
Okay.
one at a time.
Put the stuff over here. Hold on, no. You gotta put a little bit of water in there first. No, this one.
Oh, ow. Anyway.
Oh, where's the lid? Oh.
Got it nice and tight. Put it on the thingy thing. Ah.
Enough water.
Alright. Now, we blend. Ooh, look at that smoke.
Put more peppers,
Put some more peppers in here.
not tomatoes.
No tomatoes. Look at that. If it's smoky, it means it's really good. Ah, trying to get this other pepper. It's being a butt. Ah. Ah, it's slipping away. Right. Oh, God.
Just stab it.
I'm trying to, but it's like very slippery. Alright.
No.
Oh, no more tomatoes?
No, you can get one, but let's do a little bit. So put it right here so you can cut it in half. Because I don't know if it's going to blend all the way. Because it's a small blender.
Ooh.
Or just cut it in half.
Ooh.
Okay, now you can put that in there. And you can blend it.
Alright.
Okay.
That's
Now
it?
We gotta do a taste test and see if we need any more seasonings.
Alright. Now we're going to do a taste test. And let's see. What? Apparently, tasted weird.
No, it was hot.
Oh, hot? Really?
Yeah. Hold on, don't taste it yet. Okay, now blend it. Blend it again and you can taste it. Oh, you know what? Need some more soda. There.
Alright. Alright. Woo! Woo! Ah! That's hot! Oh man, I can't wait to poop this out. It's gonna fucking hurt! Now, I hope you liked this video, and if you'd like to make your own hot sauce, you can find it on any recipe on Google. This I got from my business. I was about to say Mississippi. My sister. I hope you liked this video, and if you do... Wait, where's my microphone? Ah, fuck it. Hit the like button. I hope I'll see you next time, because I am out of here! Ow!